Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and yes, I'm back again with another one of my manifestation techniques. Today we're going to talk about speaking something 50 times to manifest whatever it is you want to come into your life. Now listen, this can be that perfect mate, this can be that perfect job, whatever it is you want. Watch this video and you will have the answer. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is the Metaphysical Law of Attraction channel that gives you manifesting techniques in all different ways. The only thing I'm asking for you to do in return of these videos is to like, subscribe, tap the bell, and most of all, just keep watching the videos. So now if you want to know this technique of speaking something 50 times to manifest it, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, wow. I get so many people that are writing me and they're saying, Yvette, how do I manifest the perfect love of my life? How do I manifest that job that I want? Yvette, what is it that I can do internally to bring about these things in my life? And today I want to give you something that's so simple you could just do it every single morning or every single night before going to bed. And that is speaking something 50 times. Now again, it doesn't matter if we're talking about the perfect love, that perfect someone you want in your life. It doesn't matter if you're talking about that car, that home, whatever it is that you want, speaking it 50 times and walking out the door or going to sleep is going to say to your subconscious mind, hey, you want this. You're paying attention to this. Let me process this and bring it into your life. Now, I will tell you this. When you are just speaking something 50 times, you're just not saying it 50 times, you guys. And here is the secret. You guys have to use your emotions, okay, to bring it into your life. If you watch this channel, you already know it is your emotions that is going to get you there. That is the battery or the motor that's going to get you to your destination. So now you might get up in the morning and go take your shower. And while you're in there, you might just say, thank you, God, for blessing me with the perfect mate. Thank you, God, for blessing me with the perfect mate. Now, if it's that promotion, you might say, thank you, God, for blessing me with the perfect promotion. Thank you, God, for blessing me with the perfect promotion. Now, why do I keep saying perfect or something similar to that? It's because you can attract whatever it is that you want in your life, but it might not be the perfect person. That mate might be the mate from hell. Bow. So now, when you are manifesting, whatever technique you are using, make sure you include the perfect or I am happy, whatever, to give the universe the idea that whatever's coming into your life is making you happy. Whatever's coming into your life is perfect. Okay? So now that we got that, let's move on to another step. So besides saying, thank you, God, for blessing me with the perfect mate. Thank you, God, for blessing me with the perfect mate. You can actually see yourself with that perfect mate. Whatever it is, I need you to say it 50 times, okay? Right behind one another, slowly, and put those emotions in there and see yourself as having it. Now, here I go with one of my tips, because you guys know I just love to throw in some extra tips. A lot of times, you can bring up your emotions, bring up your vibration by playing music. Hey, look, while you're in the shower, play some music that gets you moving, that makes you feel good. Not music that's going to make you think of the ex-boyfriend, or not music that's going to make you mad. That music that is going to tell you that you can be, do, and have whatever it is that you want. This way you are sending out a sure sign to the universe, to your subconscious mind, that this is what I want. Now, some of you might write me and say, Yvette, how long do I do this? Do I do it for a day? Do I do it once? Listen, if this is something that you want and it's coming hard, you can say it once, put it out there. But for most of us, we have to repeat it a couple of days. So I'm asking you to at least do this 7 days. And if you have enough patience and it's something big that you want in your life, you can do it for 28 or 30 days and then let it go. Now, the last thing that I want to tell you that I tell you all the time, and that is take action. Listen, if it's that perfect mate, if it's that perfect someone, Get out there and mingle a little bit. If it's that perfect job, put the resumes out there. Don't put all your cookies in one basket. Whatever it is, the universe is going to use whatever it is you're giving it and work with it to bring about whatever it is that you want. Okay, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you like this video and you want more manifesting techniques, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, but most of all, just keep watching the videos. If you want to support this channel, we have membership. And listen, we are here every Sunday morning, live stream. Come and join us. There's hundreds of people right here, like-minded people that want to better their lives. Again, if you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, everything is in the description. Again, namaste.